Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2017 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive, stock number E1946P. 34,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, Oxford white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, large, easy to with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters, when the automatic transmission is put into sport mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control. Again, that automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Escape has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 245 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 22 miles to the gallon, and a city average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Escape, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.